Ayan, Daddy, sinubukan ko lang. Okay ba? Okay ba, Daddy? Try lang to, saglit lang, ha? Habang si Buknoy ay busy sa labas.
Covers PH.
Sinubukan ko lang, Dad, kung okay siya. Sana huwag pumiyok. Di maamin ng damdamin na ngayon'y wala ka na sa aking piling. Araw-araw ang dalangin ay mayakap kang muli at maangkin. Ngunit paano nga ba ang pag-ibig mo'y magbabalik? Batid ko na nasaktan kita ng labis, at sinabi ko sa'yo na kaya kong limutin ka. Bakit ngayon hinahanap kita? Ikaw pa rin ang nais ko, damang-dama ng puso ko. Mahirap na dayain ang isip at damdamin. Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ko, mapapatawad ba ako? Ngunit muling sasambitin, sinisigaw ng damdamin. Mahal pa rin kita, giliw ko. Alaala ang kasama, mga sandaling dati anong saya. Pinipilit nalimutin, bakit di maamin na wala ka na? Ngunit paano nga ba ang pag-ibig mo'y magbabalik? Batid ko na nasaktan kita ng labis, at sinabi ko sa'yo na kaya kong limutin ka. Bakit ngayon hinahanap kita? Ikaw pa rin ang nais ko, damang-dama ng puso ko. Mahirap na dayain ang isip at damdamin. Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ko, mapapatawad ba ako? Mulit-muling sasambitin, sinisigaw ng damdamin. Mahal pa rin kita, giliw ka. Hello, Uncle?
Hi, Uncle.
Yan, nandito yung alaga ko. Hello, may everyone. Mega love shout out. Sanjibay, mega love shout out. Si Kuy Ann. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Sisi Koy. Nag-try lang ako, sis. Thank you, Uncle. Ikaw pa rin ang nais ko, damang-dama ng puso ko. Mahirap na dayain ang isip at damdamin. Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ko, magpapatawad ba ako? Mulit-muling sasambitin, sinisigaw ng damdamin. Mahal pa rin kita, giliw ka. What do you want? No, ito is not a marble. It's a coin. Okay, I will give you, okay? Thank you, everyone. Say to Uncle. Hi, Uncle.
Hi, Uncle.
I'm here.
Hey.
Hey, Uncle.
Hey, Uncle.
Uncle is Putyo.
Pagyan, Uncle. Yaya.
It's a coin. Give it to me back, okay?
Top Hits Karaoke.
Nag-try lang ako, guys, kung okay siya. Kasi baka mag-stuck siya ulit eh. Thank you so much, 5 million people. Mega love shoutout, guys. Si Kuya Ann, thank you. Ay, may coins. Ibalik mo yan. Nako, ninakaw na yung coins ko. All this time, I know something you need to find. Something I do left behind. Something I can give you. All these tears that What are you doing? Hurt too good for souvenirs, and memories are forever. All this time, all that, no regrets. The sun still shine, the sun still set, and a heart forgives, the heart forgets. Oh, what will I do now with all this time? Thank you, guys. Mga 10 songs lang tayo. One more kiss, even though it's gone to this. I close my eyes and make a wish, hoping you remember all this time, all that, no regrets. The sun still shines, the sun still sets, and a heart forgets, the heart forgets. Oh, what will I do now with all this time? Say goodbye, your heart will make another try back to me. Sorry if you cry, I'll be crying too. All this time. Thank you, Sisi Koy Andy M. Mga 10 songs lang tayo, guys. Nag-try lang ako, guys. Kung okay yung aking sound. Okay ba, Sisi Koy DM? Thank you so much, Sanjibay. Nawala na si Daddy Pogi. Daddy Pogi, where are you? Antayin natin to yun. Sit down. Sit down. What are you doing? Give it to me, okay? That's my money. I don't want money. Okay? What will I do now with all this time? Nagluluto ako, guys, sa kusina. Sana hindi nasunog. Pag nasunog, patay kang bata ka. Don't make your legs move back. Yeah. Move. See, may mobile. You will touch my mobile. Berjo, आराम से ना, आराम से. G, Aramse, Aramse. G. Ayan, boulevard. Saan ba kayo nagkita sa boulevard? Kahit ngayon, wala ka na. Bakit ikaw ang lagi kong naaalala? Nagtitiis, nagtataka, araw-gabi hinahanap kita. Buhay ko'y wala ng halaga. Nawala ba yung sound, Daddy? Sa boulevard, ako'y nag-iisa, naglalakad, sana'y muli makita ka. Dalangin ko. Nawala ba yung sound ko? Alin yung nawala?
Money.
Give me my money. What happened? No, don't put them in my pocket. Oh, put in your pocket. Why? Hello guys, nawala ba yung sound ko guys? Hello guys, 2 million people. May sound ba? What are you doing? Don't put... Huh? All better. Meron na. Okay, thank you. No, don't put on my pocket. On your pocket. Ulitin ko ulit yung kanta ko. Nawala kasi daw eh. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, thank you. Kahit ngayon, wala ka na. Bakit ikaw ang lagi kong naaalala? Nag-iisip, nagtataka, araw-gabi hinahanap kita. Buhay ko'y wala ng halaga. Buhat ng iwanan mo sinta. Sa boulevard, ako'y nag-iisa, naglalakad, sana'y muling makita ka. Simple Milda, thank you. Dalangin ko sa may kapal, ibalik ka sa piling ko nang iyong malaman na ikaw lang ang mahal ko at wala nang ibang mamahalin kundi ikaw, Bernie. Buhay ko'y wala nang halaga. Buhat ng iwanan mo siya, Bernie. Sa boulevard, ako'y nag-isa, naglalakad, nakahubad, makita ka. Siguro sa'yo, mamahalin kita, Bernie, habang ako'y ako. Kung totoo, lumimot ka Sa boulevard, hihintayin pa rin kita, Bernie. Buhay ko'y wala ng halaga, buhat nang iwanan mo siya, Bernie. Sa boulevard, ako'y nag-iisa, naglalakad, sana'y muling makita ka. Mega love shout out, Simple Imelda. Napagtripan si Pogi. Thank you so much everyone, amazing people. Mega love shout out. Ayan. This is for you, my love, Bernie Pogi. Nakahubad sa boulevard. This is for you. Bakit ba pag ika'y nakikita, puso ko at makaba? No! Okay.
Our father, oh father,
It's my turn. Okay. Babalisa. At pag ika'y katabi, ako'y di mapakali. Walang ibang iniisip, kundi ikaw, Bernie. Sinubukan ko, ika'y kalimutan, ngunit hanggang ngayon di ko makakayanan, pagkat ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan sa araw at gabi. Janvi, ikaw ang dahilan, hindi ako makatulog sa kakaisip sa'yo, pagkat ikaw, sinta, ikaw ang dahilan. Say hi, Uncle.
hi uncle, hello uncle.
Okay? Okay. Ano ko kaya masasabi sa'yo na ikaw ang tinitibok ng puso ko? Ang aking nadarama ay para lang sa'yo. Asahan mo ito, sinta, ay na maglalaho, pagkat ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan sa araw at gabi. Ikaw ang dahilan, di ako makatulog sa kakaisip, Bernie, pagkat ikaw, sinta, ikaw ang dahilan. Mega love shout out 2 million people. Ay, Buknoy, Batang Aswang.
I will
Ikaw ang laman. Ay, nako.
X, Y,
Kumanta. 6 million. Thank you so much.
X, V,
Yan na. Sige.
after
Hindi naman stress. Ito ang role.
hello, uncle. Hello, uncle.
Ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan sa araw at gabi. Ikaw ang dahilan, hindi ako makatulog sa kaisip sa'yo, pagkat ikaw sinta, ikaw ang dahilan. What are you doing? Ambot, Buknoy.
Of the canyon.
Ayan, mag 3 songs na lang tayo, guys. Nag-try lang naman ako eh. Hello everyone, mega love shout out. Thank you so much for coming here. Thank you guys. Don't touch, okay?
Yaya,
Yes.
yaya, but
What?
different.
It's okay. No need to press because it's that dangerous, okay?
Yaya, but
The TV is working outside. No one is outside. Can you go outside?
yaya,
Huh?
but
I am bot.
yaya,
Jan OTV, mega love shout out. Thank you so much everyone. 3 songs na lang tayo, guys.
yaya, but
No, I told you no. Yaya said no, okay?
no, no.
Can I touch you? Can't believe that you were real. How did I ever find you? You were the dream that saved my life. You were the reason I survived. Baby, I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. I never thought that I could need someone as much as I need you. I love you. 3 million, thank you. In 3 million, thank you so much. Can I hold you? Girl, you smile, let's act this time. You are too beautiful for the human eye. You are the dream that never dies. You are the fire that burns inside. Baby, I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. Ooh, I never thought that I could love. No fighting. Nangaaway na yung alaga ko. You are the sunshine in the sky. You are the sparkle in my eyes. Ooh, I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. Kaagapay Bia, thank you. I love you. Inaaway na ako ng alaga ko, guys. Mag-last songs na lang ako, guys. Kasi gusto niya rin sinisira niya yung ano ko eh. Thank you so much, Sanju. Bye. Mega love shout out 4 million people. Thank you for the love and support, guys. Last songs tayo. Come here, bring your iPad here. Thank you, sis. Where's your iPad? Because you're bad. Last songs na, yeah. Tonight, it's been a year. We met each other here. Here I am, all alone. I stop of you go on. Hear me crying out to you. Said never would I leave. Here's the tears from me to you. And maybe it will make you hear me. I love you. You didn't feel the same. Through we're apart, you in my heart. Give me one more chance to make it real. Thank you, guys. Thank you. In a dream, you are here. You smile and hold me near. In my heart, I pretend that you are here again. Hear me crying out to you. You said never would I leave. Here's a tear from me to you. And maybe it will make you hear me. I love you. You didn't feel the same. Through we're apart, you in my heart. Give me one more chance to make it real. Thank you so much everyone for the love and support, guys. Ayan, mag-end na si host, guys, kasi nagwawala na yung alaga ko. I love you. You didn't feel the same. You were apart. You in my heart. Give me one more chance to make it real. Give me one more chance to make it real. I love you, Hanji. Huh? No press button. Why? No. Yeah, yes. No. Yeah, it's over now. It's finished now. Wait. It's your turn. But Yaya is done already. Say bye-bye to Uncle now.
Bye-bye.
Guys, I can't gatekeep this bra any longer. I found the perfect bra from Pepper and it's great for small boobs. I had to come on and show you how good they
What are you doing? No, don't pull it. Otherwise, it will not work again, Diyos me. Patawaran.
Oh, God, Papa, boop, 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 boop.
No!
Yaya, what?
No, no need to press because Yaya is done already, okay?
Yaya,
No, there's nothing now.
nothing.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ay, Diyos me. Ano ba to? Yaya is end already. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye, guys. Thank you, thank you.
bye, guys.
Thank you, guys.